Okay, so we are on Jalan Raya Kuta. We're just 50 metres past the traffic lights on Jalan Kediri that goes down to the Juma Beach. We're here at the Campo Saga. This is where you pay your registration for your motorbike. We just got to extend one of our bikes for a year, so you come in here, bring your papers in, they give you a new STNK card, which is your registration paper. And it's really busy because it's been Galloon and there's been no one around. It's really, really busy. Now it's right opposite the big military base here, which is all the military housing. It's a massive, big complex here. You always know the military because they're always painted green, all the houses. So anyway, Yuli's probably got to wait an hour. There's so many people in there. We thought we'd come in early and it's just open and there's probably 40, 50 people waiting there. So anyway, I'm going to sit down and relax, pay this rego, then we've got to go into Denpasar. And we're just going to stop at one of our favourite restaurants, Campo Saga, and have a breakfast burrito. It's so good here, eh? I put this in a couple of videos before. There's no better place to hang out right here near the pool and have breakfast. So Campo Saga really is a great place. So relaxing here. You got the two pools, you got the playthings for the kids. Down the bottom you got the function hall where they have weddings and parties, or you can just sit down here and eat anyway if you want. So they've also got this down on the bottom level. How unreal is this place? It really is great. Campo Saga is on Jalan Mahendra. Thank you. This is Campo Saga breakfast burrito. They're only $40,004 and I got a free cafe latte. Yuli got a free mochaccino, and these are really good value for $4 with a coffee. You just can't beat that. And just stacked full of egg and cheese. It's so good, eh? There's that much cheese that's just falling out the bottom. Look. Anyway, come in and try it. Jalan Mahendra, Campo Saga. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. So that was about $128,000, about $12. We got the breakfast, the free coffees, and we also got a drink. I got an iced tea and Yuli got another tea as well. So it's pretty good value. Campo Saga, check it out. So we just stop in at TIARA DEWATA, get some oranges. Best place to buy oranges here, and some baked beans, a couple of things in and out real quick. It's a great supermarket. This is in Sopatan. I'll leave a Google Maps link for this as well. Alright, so we got her little mini oranges. Got me 3 cans of baked beans. Out of here, on with the day. We're just going to stop in here and Yuli's going to get some material. She's got a big order in Guyana, like 300 dresses. So they've got a certain design that no one's got in here. Design like this, but she wants a certain colour, like a mustardy colour. So we're going to get them to actually print up some for her, especially the right colour that we want, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes, see if our customer wants that colour. So this is how you buy it. You normally buy it in 20 or 30 metre folds like this, and this guy here has got a lot of different designs that no one's got. So they've even got some of the Thai elephant designs. We'll do this and then we're off to the print shop, get some new Southern Cross T-shirts made up. Yo! Stops, like as far as you can see up through here. And this is all the same stuff as what you buy in Kuta and Lian or anywhere, the markets. It'll be half the price. So all the locals come out to places like this and buy. See, there's about 20 little shops all the way down here. So that's where the locals buy, it's where the bargains are. Yeah, shopping in around the tourist areas you can guarantee you'll be paying double.
2 hours later.
So we're in Sanur at the moment. We're on Jalan Kurtanadi 2 or 2. The shed, it's called Sports Bar. We're going to go in and check it out. Apparently there's a bunch of old cars in here. Oh, look at this. Got an old V-dub combi for sale. Look at that. Yeah, got a little V-dub Beetle. So good. It's very expensive in Australia, this thing.
Yeah, we send it to Australia.
Oh yeah, you can't get them anymore. They're worth a fortune. Wow, it's nice, isn't it? Little V-dub Beetle. And the combi ute. Very nice. So you fix these up and send to Australia?
Yeah.
All right. Alright, check it out. A little V-dub Beetle up on the roof. A little racing car, look at it. The shed. Hey mate, how are you? So it's got a little coffee shop on the side, which is good. Proper coffee machine.
Thank you.
Right, so it used to be called the man shed, but now it's just the shed. And it's got all sorts of old cars and motorbikes and things in here. So we'll go around and check them out. Now, you might be a V-dub specialist. There's a lot of old combis and cars there. The guy out there fixing that little bug said they send him to Australia. So there's a little June buggy. And there's a fair few of these around this type. There's like a big club here in Indonesia. You see them all getting around sometimes. There's VWs. And this looks like maybe a HZ Holden. An old EH Holden or an EK. How's that? These things are really hard to come by even in Australia now. They'd be worth a fortune. Just check that out. How unreal is it? Wow, it's still pretty original. The old 3 on the tree gears. It's like a little army buggy type thing. Look, homemade I suppose. Is it a Morris? It's a Fiat. A little Fiat. A couple of Fiats. Right, we'll go upstairs. There's a bunch of old motorbikes up here and stuff. Got the old original Dutch bicycles. The Yummy, little Hondas. That's a funny looking little thing. What's that? Look at the petrol tank. Maybe it was modified. Some old Hondas. Yummy 125 road bike. Alright. The man shed. So it's a big area here. Apparently it's pretty popular. It's a sports bar. They put the sports on, the football and things like that. So, yeah. Come down and check it out. It's got this little electric 3-wheeler type thing, which is cool. It looks like they sell merchandise. The Shed Sports Bar, Sanur, cars and music. Alright, so this little thing here is going to be the Shed Shuttle, picking people up and taking them home when they're too drunk, I suppose. And they've just modified a combi and put some seats in it. Unreal. Alright, so I got a coffee, it looks alright. Just going to sit here and have a coffee. And we're waiting for a couple of people. Mel and Nat are going to turn up here and have a look. He wants to have a look at the old cars and the V-dubs. So yeah, anyway, grab a burger, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got beetroot on the burgers. Look out. Alright, I'm going to get a man shed burger and try it out. Alright, so here it is, the shed burger. Looks alright, got some crinkle cuts, some chips. Oh, it's got bacon too. Bacon, cheese, beetroot, tomato, onion. It's got everything on it. Oh, fried onions. Real Aussie burger. Look out. So we'll hook into this, see what it's like. Okay, so it looks good. Just check that out. Got the bacon, the beetroot, everything on it. Oh, yes. Check that out. That's one good Aussie burger, that one. I haven't had a beetroot burger with beetroot for a long time, but yeah, this one's pretty good. So it's got the caramelised onions on it. Yeah, it's a proper Aussie burger. Come in and check it out, the Shed. I'll tell you what, that was one good burger. Yeah, very good. Apparently they sell crocodile burgers and kangaroo burgers and that in there as well. So come in and check it out. Okay, so we've come straight from Sanur into Jalan Teka Ulma, and I'm going to get some more T-shirts printed up, like these Southern Cross ones and a couple of new designs I've got. So this is CITITEX. It's a really good print shop. It takes a couple of days. It's probably works out. They're good quality shirts. They're $9 or $10 a shirt, depending on what you get printed on them. Hey bro. Right, so more or less what you do is just pick what style and T-shirt you want and everything. It's really good. They've got really good hoodies and stuff in here, camo stuff. It's really good quality. They've got rain jackets, all different types of shirts, long sleeve T-shirts, sloppy joes with hoods. Got some great stuff in here, yeah. So anyway, T-shirts. So we've also got polo shirts and things like that as well. Girls ones, kids ones. Right, so we just want normal shirts. So you just pick the style of shirt you want, ask if they've got them, they'll give you a ticket, then you go in to the design room where they design your designs or whatever. Or you give them, bring in your hard drive, bring in your flash drive with your design on it. Hopefully they've got my designs from before that I've used, and yeah, they'll organise it and put it where you want on the t-shirt, and then print them out. You come back in a couple of days, pick them up. These will be all the orders ready to go out. Look how many. I just do thousands of them here every week, so it's a good place to do them. Alright, so I just give him a design and then he changes the colours and whatever and fits it properly onto the t-shirt that I want. So he's going to change the white to black. So this is my new design. So then he'll just move the picture onto the shirt and design it where you want it. You think that's big enough, really? What?
Berapa
Make it
cm?
bigger.
24 sama
Kayak ini.
Same.
that's
You'll be
enough.
right, eh? Yeah, it's okay. Alright, that's about it. And then you go out the front. You go out the front and pay, and then pick them up in 2 or 3 days. So got that done now. You just go out, he's designed them, and it's $193,000, like $19 or less than $19, 3 t-shirts. So, and they're good quality shirts. So we just pay here, and then we go pick them up in 3 days. Alright, so just come back in 2 or 3 days, or they text you through the phone number you leave and tell you when they're ready or paid. We'll see what they turn out like when we get them. I've got one new design, so what I'm going to do is give away to my members. I haven't got that many members, but for a Christmas gift, I'm going to give them a free t-shirt next time they're in Bali. So I can let them pick out of these new designs what they want. Now, what do you think? I don't know. Now I suppose we'll just go home and relax. It's been a busy day. Been here, there and everywhere, and out to Sanur, had lunch and back into Campo Saga here, and yep, I'll leave a Google Map link for this print shop. It's a really good print shop, good quality stuff. So see you on the next video.